There you go.
You like that? You look a little worried.
It takes me a minute to chew it. There you go. Got some more? There you go. Good girl.
It looks real tasty.
It's not that bad, actually. Some more? I mean, it's not like I'm forcing her or anything. I just put it here and wait for it to open her mouth. Want some more? Good girl. You're not doing it. Oh well. You just got it out of your system, huh? You still gotta go.